Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making these delicious chicken wings. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now we're going to begin by deep frying our chicken wings. Now, how you season your chicken wings, it doesn't really matter, honey. What matters is the sauce that we're going to coat our chicken wings in, okay? So you're going to season them, add a little bit of flour, corn flour, and a little bit of baking powder so that when you fry them in the oil, they will remain super crispy, okay, honey? You can use any spices that you like, okay? Then you're going to deep fry them in your oil until they are completely done. Once they're done, you're gonna set them aside. And in the same pan, you're going to go ahead and add your creamy mayonnaise. If you can, please try to get the mayonnaise that does not have a yellow tint in it, that is white. And that one tends to be a little bit more sour than it needs to, so I always opt for this one. You're gonna add your sweet chili sauce, you're gonna add your worcestershire sauce. You can substitute that for oyster sauce, or you can substitute that for soy sauce. You can add any other chili sauce you like, and I'm going to add some finely chopped red bell peppers just for flavor, okay, honey, and texture as well, because they're not gonna cook and they're gonna create this beautiful red pepper looking like something, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and saute or simmer that on very low heat until it changes color. So you will see as we proceed, the deeper the sauce will thicken, it will change color, it will just deepen in color. Just be patient on very low heat. You will keep bubbling. Once it's bubbling, you're going to keep stirring. I added just a splash of some black pepper, and then just like that, you can see that it's sort of kind of caramelizing, so it's getting deeper and deeper in color, and that's what you want. Gonna go ahead and add just a splash of some lemon juice, honey. You can also add the zest if you like. So this will just reduce further and turn into something like a chutney like, but it's a beautiful sauce, and you can absolutely customize it how you like. So as you can see, the color of the sauce just keeps getting darker and darker. You're just going to keep stirring that. Once it's bubbling, honey, make sure that it's not burning, okay? And then once it has deepened color like that, almost looking like caramel, honey, I did add some fresh chopped parsley. You can also use coriander if you like. So once you see that it's almost caramelized like that, it's almost like caramel, right? The color is beautiful. You're going to go ahead and add your salted or unsalted butter. In my case, I use salted butter. I just prefer salted butter, okay? You can use unsalted butter. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your cooked wings in there, and you're going to make sure to toss them around and coat them in the sauce. And you're going to keep the heat low so that the sauce can have time to stick to the chicken wings, honey. I'm telling you, this sauce is the best. It doesn't matter how you season your chicken wings, this sauce is the star of the dish, honey, okay? I hope you try this, guys. That is the recipe. Once the chicken wings has the sauce has sticked to the chicken wings, that you know it is ready, it's bubbling like that, you can just go ahead and plate it up. This is great for Friday night, it's great for Saturday night, honey. You can also have it for Sunday lunch as well. I hope you tried the recipe, guys. Please comment down below and show me some love, and I will show you back some love. Subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Enjoy.